Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance October Groove. The song is Make Me Wanna. The artist is October London, and the choreography is Penny Pearl. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end. So just click right here and you'll find the instructional. Guys, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself. The event is July 11th through the 14th, 2024. For all details, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Registration is open right now and you can book your room. So here we go, October Groove. There you go, October Groove. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.